Elon Musk promises again encrypted DMs are coming to Twitter, continuing the enhancements and turning Twitter into this supposed everything app with finance and communication is a big one. You got to have it. It has to be a place where people feel comfortable communicating. So then they have to entrust some system for privacy. Elon Musk says Twitter's direct messages are going to be encrypted in an effort to make it harder for intelligence agencies around the world to access private communications, according to an interview he gave with, this is part of his Tucker Carlson interview, which I haven't watched. Maybe I'll watch it. Hopefully, you know what? Maybe I'll watch it today. I don't know.
Yeah, there's a 2-part series. The first one came out. I think there's another one that's airing tonight.
So how long is this first one?
About 30, 40 minutes. The last time I checked, Fox News kind of put out clips of it. But you can kind of string them together.
Okay, so the total interview might be like an hour and a half, and it's been split into a bunch of different parts, or at least two parts.
Yeah.
So he's been promising this for a while. One of the things we're about to release is the ability to encrypt your DMs. That's pretty heavy duty, though, because a lot of well-known people, reporters, talking to their sources, government officials, rich people in the world, they're DMing each other. And the assumption obviously was incorrect. But was that that's private, but that was being read by various governments? Carlson asked. Okay, keep scrolling. Yes, Musk replied. Carlson called it scary before Musk elaborated on his plans for encrypted DMs. So, like I said, we're moving to have the DMs be optionally encrypted. I mean, there's like a lot of DM conversations which are, sorry, you went too fast, which are just chatting with friends, not important. It's hopefully coming out later this month, but no later than next month. So you will have apparently some option to encrypt your conversations. There are, of course, plenty of other encrypted messaging systems that people can use. However, I do think there's a lot of people that have a misconception about their conversations in Twitter and the fact that whether they can or can't be read. I think there's a lot of people who don't truly understand what's going on in there.
I thought it was encrypted for a very long time. But do you think it's going to be a paywall kind of feature?
Twitter Blue. Add it to the laundry list.
You think so?
Yeah.
Because he really wants the private messaging, like for everyone. Right?
Yeah,
like,
but what isn't behind Twitter Blue at this point? All the good stuff is going there.
He's got to make some money.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, he's got to make some money.
Yeah. No, I mean, Twitter has got to make some money, is what I mean.
Right.
Yeah.
Straight into his bank account. Encrypted messages. Dump it.